All right, good afternoon. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I'm grateful that you are checking me out today. If this is your first time watching, I am a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts. And my goal is to help as many of you traders, may you be aspiring traders or an active trader. I want to help you learn to become consistently profitable, but not only be consistently profitable, I want to teach you how to do that using as little capital as possible, because again, capital is always a struggle for individuals coming into this business. So I want to help you with that. So without further ado, as always, I'll let you know to go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. I am making some updates to the site, so you might see some products and services that might not be available that you saw before, or some things being moved or changed around. So just know that I'm making some updates to the site, and that'll be finalized in the next couple of days. But you can always still go over and subscribe to become a receive a trade plan every day. You can become a one-on-one coaching client. You can become an affiliate. You can also shop in the apparel store. So you do everything at grindmajordaytrading.com. And one more reminder, as I promised everyone who took advantage of the $200 promotion to get all of my material, I do have an extra bonus for you that I will be emailing out to you, but there's going to be some things I need to finalize first so that that bonus is the best that it can be for you. So thanks for being patient for me for that. But again, so as today, what we did, diving right in, let me just pull up the trade plan, and I'll let you know what I let my subscribers and my clients know the night before, so that they could be ready. And I let everyone know that, we could get the price balloon drifting higher, but we would be running into resistance around the 29.55 to possibly 60 area, and to be cautious in selling, especially after some of the big moves that we've had in the past couple of days. Normally the S&P 500 will go through what we like to call our trap moves, and that is pretty much what took place today, unless you got weighted out, unless you stayed in. If you got weighted out and they scared you out of your position, then today was definitely a trap day for you. As you can see how choppy the movement has been, both to the downside and back to the upside. So to let you know the position that I took, again, we always are going for a low risk position. Ideally, the entry price is going to be under $100. Because our spreads are valued at anywhere from $400 to $300. So we want to get in at $100 or less, and ideally we want to shoot for the $50 price range to get into our position. So today was a really good day. First of all, just to kind of break things down, we are looking at a 5-minute chart, just so you can see the detail inside the position. Again, I do not teach you how to develop a bias with a short-term chart, because you don't do that. You'll end up misreading your signals and ultimately blowing your account. So no, this is just to show you the detail inside the position. Again, we placed our trades on Nadex, and we use Thinkorswim for our charts. So again, as you see, today's high was 29.60. And as I said in this plan today, that we would be running into resistance around this level, and we could get price drifting even higher, but it needs to hold above this 29.55 to 60 level. So obviously we did not hold above that level. Price hit its brick wall at that 29.60 level, and we started that sell-off. Now, my entry came in just after the sell-off began. I came in around 10.15, 10.20, and I got an entry price of $31 on a sell position. And this was a short-term contract that was going to expire in 2 hours, or it's 2 hours long. It was going to expire at 12 noon. Again, I got my entry around 10, like I said, 10:15, 10:20. And the reason I waited was because I wanted to get a little more confirmation that price was going to make its move to the downside, where we found support at this 29.30 area. All right. So we gave price some time to work its way down. We got a little bit of confirmation, which is what we always want to do. And we entered our position. Again, that short-term position we got in at $31, per contract. And we got our exit around 45 minutes after. Again, the reason being is we did get our move to the downside. We got a couple of nice pushes to the downside, but for the most part, this was a choppy move to the downside. And as I said earlier in the recap, if you get really familiar with the instruments that you trade, then you recognize things repeating themselves, and we trade the S&P 500 very, very often, daily, as a matter of fact. And we are expecting things like choppy movement and trap movements after large moves to the up or the downside. So for that reason is my reasoning for getting out. Again, got out at the 29.40 level. We didn't really find support until 29.30. But again, because of that choppiness, and we were in profit. And more importantly, I want to highlight this. We were at 100% profit. This was a take profit order. I did not exit this on my own. This order was hit. Again, I had the take profit order set close because I wanted to ensure that I got in and out with profit, given the fact that today might be choppy. And that's exactly what we got. So we got in at $31. We got an exit of $62, which leaves us a profit of $31. That is 100% return. So you can't really, I mean, you can do better than that, but again, why be greedy? Get in, get out, and get on with your day. We were out of the market today around 11:17 to be exact, and our trade took about 45 minutes. We caught the best part of the move, I think, by the middle of the move, and we're done. So price did find support, made its way back up right around our entry area. None of this we had to deal with or speculate on or any of those things, because we were done and on with our day before 12 noon. So I hope you enjoyed today's recap. I hope you got some great information. Again, if you want to learn how to do this, make sure you connect with me. You can go over to grindmajourdaytrading.com. And if you want to see these contracts that I place every day, you can most certainly go to GM_daytrading, which is Instagram, GM_daytrading, and you can see the contracts for today's trade. And I will post all other updates and announcements and everything there as well. So I hope you had a productive and a profitable Thursday, and I will get with you all tomorrow. All right, peace.